Hey guys, good morning. I'm Joyce. Welcome to my video diary. Today is day 4. Oh my god, I think it's day 4. Let me check. I've got my notes here. Yes, day 4. Day 4 of a year of vegan smoothies. If you've been following along, please bear with me for skipping days. I'm still trying to acclimate to the school schedule. So anyway, today's smoothie is apple kale smoothie, and this one is very simple compared to the last 3 days. We've got half a cup of water, and I am going to tell you ounces and grams and all that this time. So half a cup of water. Um, this recipe actually, 120 milliliters. Well, that's the same as grams on this scale anyway. So this one's a little bit more water. 120. That's all. That's almost 120. Okay. Creatine, not on the recipe, but I always put it in. And I hope you'll forgive me for saying this every time. This might be the first time you've seen one of these videos. So yeah, creatine, just because I use it, it does not change the flavor. I use 10 grams. Getting there. Well, okay, 10 grams creatine. Oh, I forgot to give you ounces on the water. 10 grams of creatine is 0.32 ounces. Okay. And this recipe actually calls for 2 cups of ice, but I disconnected the ice maker in my refrigerator, and I did not like the ice cube maker that I had. So I'm just going to put in 2 cups of almond milk. So 2 cups of almond milk is 240 grams. It's probably 8 ounces. Oh no. No, 2 cups would be 480. That's right, 480 grams. Okay, which is 17 ounces, so I went over a little bit. It should be 16 ounces. Alrighty. And then, back to grams. Then what we have is half of an orange, peeled and seeded. I put the fruit in the freezer because I don't have the ice cubes, and I would like it to be nice and cold. I actually put all of the fruit in this container, so I'm digging out the orange. Come on now. All right. Half of an orange, and this was kind of a big orange. I'm breaking it up into smaller pieces just to make it a little easier on the blender. Let's see. So, half of this large orange is 123 grams, 4.34 ounces. Okay, and then half of a green apple. Oh yeah, peeled and seeded. The orange is supposed to be peeled and seeded. Green apple, same thing. Take the seeds out, the core. And that is 84 grams. Also 2.96 ounces. Okay, and then 1 cup of grapes. And they actually put in here 150 grams. So I did not check that when I put these in the freezer. Let's see, 150 grams. Yeah, because green grapes, they can come in all kinds of sizes, can't they? All right, that's 152 grams. I have, they're rolly. I have 2 grapes left over. All right, 150 grams of grapes, which is about 5.33 ounces. Okay, and then the only thing left is 2 cups of kale. So 2 cups of kale is 2 ounces. And I will check to see how many grams that is. Should be about 56 grams, I think. All right, change to ounces. And I like my kale frozen. Come on now. Okay, that's a little more than 1 ounce. Okay, 2 ounces. And that is, yep, 56 grams. Okay, I'm going to put this back in the freezer. All right, and that's it for this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and put these crumbs in. All right, and I would like to see what I'm doing here. Okay. Ear protection, hearing protection. All right, this recipe says that it makes 3 servings. So I did wake up kind of hungry this morning, so I hope I can finish it all. Let's see. Sorry, Timmy. Liquid in it, obviously. So, and I don't know. I'm thinking that 1 minute was probably enough to get everything blended up really well. So I didn't do my usual extra 10 minutes for, what am I doing with my video? I don't know. Okay. All right. This is very liquidy. This is not the texture I'm used to for a smoothie. I guess that might have been different if I had used ice instead of just liquid almond milk. Got a few kale crumbs left. All right, it's pretty. And this one I like. All right, let's see what else. I think I taste the orange, the tangy part of the orange. I don't taste the kale. I don't know. It just overall just seems to have kind of a bright taste to it. It is nice and cold. I don't know. That's great. So this is gonna be a do-over for me. Um, and again, this is the apple kale smoothie, and this is from the Vitamix book, Simply Blending. This came with the Vitamix that I bought, the blender. That's it. All right, I will put the recipe in the description below, and I will plan on doing day 5 tomorrow. See ya. Bye.